Hi guys, today I'm going to show you some of my favorite body mists or deodorant sprays which are available in a very affordable price range in India. So the first one I'm currently using and the least costliest of this is Lea Water Girl body spray in the fragrance Vanilla Twist. This bottle is of 135 ml and it costs around 199 INR. That's the MRP. But I have purchased this during one of the sales on Nykaa or Purple. I don't remember. All of these I've purchased when there were some sales or offers going on. So these are not purchased at MRP, and you generally get a very nice discounts on all of these, and they are already very affordable. All of these are under 500 rupees. So Lea Water Girl Vanilla Twist is a very nice coconutty vanilla flavor. The fragrance smells like a cupcake. It literally smells like a cupcake. However, the lasting for this is not that great, and it lasts on your skin or your clothes for around 3 hours max. And if you overspray a lot, like you generally have to with body mist, then it might last for 3 to 4 hours. But these are what I use to lounge around the house, and in Mumbai heat or India heat, it won't last when you wear it outside. You'll have to keep on spraying yourself every few hours or so. However, the fragrance is very nice. It is not headache inducing, and I've got a lot of compliments from my family members because generally they are the ones who can smell your fragrance mist since you are in the house all the time. So this is a very nice compliment getter, and it's a skin scent. You it doesn't project as much. Only someone who is sitting or standing very close by to you may be able to smell it. However, if you layer it with a nice vanilla body wash or something, or a body lotion, it will really complement and last a long time. And it's very nice, and I would like to try Lea Water Girl's other fragrances in this range. And I was mildly and very surprised by this because it's the least expensive and it is so affordable, and you can literally use it liberally in the house. Okay, the second one is I'm going in the ascending order of the price. So this is the second affordable one. It is Body Fantasies Pink Vanilla Kiss. This is a bottle of 236 ml, and the MRP is written as 499 INR. However, I got it for around 200 to 250 rupees. I don't remember in the sale. So this is the bottle. It is very juvenile looking bottle, and like very girly for someone. It is good for teenagers or college going girls to display it on their vanity. And for me, I find it a little too girly for my taste. And the fragrance of this is it reminds me of that vanilla, some pink Victoria's Secret body mist, which I don't remember the name of, but it smells exactly like that. And this smells at the first spray, it smells like very berry, like some berries, red berry, strawberry, cherry, and it smells very pink, like a pink candy sugar syrup. And it's a little too much in the beginning, but however it settles down on your clothes and on your body, and then you have a mild sweet pink flavor, like a strawberry fragrance lingering around. The lasting is very good. For this price range, it lasts for around 3 hours on your skin and clothes, and you have to spray it as you go on with your day. However, at this cost, I won't mind like spraying it multiple times during the day. However, the fragrance is the most juvenile smelling, like more childish smelling of all the other sprays that I have got with me. So that was Pink Vanilla Kiss from Body Fantasies. The next one I would like to show is Plum Body Loving Body Mist Hawaiian Rumba. So I have been reusing the Plum Body Loving Vanilla Vibes before as well, and I wanted to try this Hawaiian Roomba fragrance, so I got this one and I have used it this much. I like it, but I don't love it because my favorite is the Vanilla Vibes. But this one is not bad as well. This smells like a cocktail of fresh fruity pineapple and coconut, I think, and it smells like some citrus as well, and it lasts for really long, like 5 to 6 hours on your skin and clothes. And depending on how more you spray, the more you get the use out of it. So I don't love it, but I like it, so it's good. Plum Body Living body mists are really good, and they have got a lot of variety in their fragrances, so you can try and you will obviously end up finding one that suits you. And this can be used outdoor as well because it is a little stronger, and people can smell around you within the distance of like 5 feet, 6 feet, because it has a lot of projection. It's very strong in the beginning and then it settles down, so it's nice. This is not headache inducing. However, if you spray a lot near your face, then you might get some stingy feeling. However, it's good to spray on your body as well. So that was Plum Body Living Body Mist Hawaiian Roomba. And I forgot to mention the MRP is 525 INR. However, I got it on discount for $450, I think. So next one is Plum Body Living Body Mist Vanilla Vibes. So you will feel that this is a new box and I'm opening it for the first time, which is true, but this is my third bottle and I just love this. This smells exactly like vanilla cupcakes. It is smelling better than the Body Shop vanilla body mist. It smells better than that because this smells like a cupcake, and the Body Shop ones smell exactly like vanilla, just plain vanilla. It's not bad, that's good as well, but this is for half the price or sometimes less than half the price. So this is Vanilla Vibes. It smells like a sugary vanilla cupcake, freshly baked sugary vanilla cupcake, and why wouldn't you want to smell like that whole day, especially when you're lounging at home. So this is my favorite fragrance to spray after I'm freshly showered and get ready for bed. I put this on and it smells the room, and the mood smells exactly like a bakery, and it's so comforting. It's the best one. The best body mist or fragrance spray that I have used, and I've used these bottles like 2-3 bottles I have used. So this will be a constant in my collection, and I'll be using it like a lot more than the other ones. So as the same as before, this MRP is showing as 525 INR for I think 150 ml. However, you get discounts and you get it around 400 to 450 INR. So that was Plum Body Living Body Mist Vanilla Vibes. The last one I have is Skin by Titan, and the deo spray is in the fragrance Nude. I heard a lot about this. I saw a lot of reviews of this, that it smells like romance in Paris, or it smells like a English rose garden. So I was so intrigued that I bought this deo spray before buying the expensive perfume bottle, and I'm glad that I bought it because I don't understand the hype about it, but it is a good deo spray. It smells fairly close to a perfume. You can wear it outside and it lasts for 7 to 8 hours on your clothes, even if you wear it outside. So obviously if you wear it at home, it would last longer. And my problem with this is, if you spray a lot, in the first few seconds you get a headache sensation. So it might be headache inducing for some people with sensitive noses. Like, people around you might not want that smell right in the beginning. However, it settles down and it becomes like a sweet rose or sweet flowers, especially rose. It has a little hint of some sweet berries, and some little bit of strawberry and a little bit of vanilla. However, the star in this is the rose. The more I keep on sniffing myself, I can smell is rose on my body. And the price point of this is 499 rupees. However, I got it on discount. You have to keep on watching. You can get a discount of like not much, maybe 10% or 50%. So it's not a bad deo spray. It is long lasting. It has a very good projection. People will ask you about it. People around you can smell this on you. You can wear it outside as well during the day in Indian heat, and you can wear it indoor as well. The lasting power is really good. Performance wise, this is the best one of all the deo sprays, all the body mists that I showed you today. However, I'm not a fan of the rose smell, because there are other deodorants available in the market in this range which can be better, and personally I like the soft vanilla fragrance from this plum one. So that's my review of my collection, of my present collection of affordable body sprays and deodorants. Thank you, hope you like it.